And Riley says, hello, I've discovered it is impossible to study, therefore I am back. Build in breaks, Riley, and also build in rewards. It's so powerful and it's so important. So even I'm going to focus super hard for 20 minutes. And at the end of those 20 minutes, then I get a gummy bear. Little things that work for us when we're kids still work for us when we're adults. Yeah. And even set timers and things like that helped me a lot when I was studying. Also, since you're so musically inclined, Riley, maybe setting certain things to music can really help. And my favorite note-taking method, whenever I'm trying to learn new things, if you wanted to look up the Cornell method, Riley, it can make it so that you don't have to study so much, which is nice. Because what's important when we're learning something is repetition, right? So the Cornell method is like taking your notes, adding any questions or things you need clarified with your teacher in the margin, and then saving a spot at the bottom to kind of summarize what's on this page. It helps a lot for open book tests because then you can just kind of flip through all your notes and there's a summary at the bottom on what to find on this page so you can find the answers super fast. But also the process of just like 5 minutes at the end of class reflecting and writing that summary already helps cement all that. So you're already studying just in the process of taking notes, which was very, very helpful for me. Yeah. Robin, you're so sweet. Thank you. Thank you for the raid. Yeah. Mr. X, I'm happy to help because that was something that was like changing, life-changing for me going through. I was trying to take my notes on a laptop my first year of university, and I was so distracted and I didn't feel like I was learning. So I just went back to the old school notebook method. And since we're usually kinetic when we're musicians, like we like to be moving when we're learning things, it helps to have that tactile engagement. Like you're not passive learning anymore. You're actually working with that and actively engaging with the material. Yeah. Yeah. I used to be able to skim a page of a book and then go back and read it in my head during test time. That's an incredible skill that I do not have. I do not have that skill. Yeah.